So how can you sync contacts with the WhatsApp on your Samsung phone? So let me show you where you can find it and how it works. If you are new here, subscribe and let's get into it. So you open up the settings app on the device, and what you have to do is to find the apps section for all of these settings for individual apps like this. And from the list of the alphabetically ordered apps, you can find WhatsApp, which is going to be closer toward the bottom. You can tap on it and you want to browse the permissions. And you want to make sure that not only the app can access stuff like your camera or photos, but you can as well give it access to the contacts. And if it's not part of the allowed list, just scroll below, find it in the other section which says not allowed, and make sure you give it access. So this would mean that you decide that the WhatsApp application can access your contacts, which are stored in the built-in contacts app, right? And that way you can like sync it all together, so you don't have to rename the contacts in WhatsApp. And if there is a number texting you, it's going to be matched with the one in your contacts app, and you will see their name right there. So that's how you can approach this and how it can work. If it's your first time on Foxtecc and if you like this straight to the point approach of tutorials, then make sure you subscribe so you don't miss videos like this one, and I'll see you later in the future uploads.